back with another video, and today we will be unboxing Mr. Beast Lab Swarms. We have our friend here today who actually bought these.
Yeah, I bought them with my own money. It was $20 though.
No way.
It was $20.
Dang. So it looks right now that comes with 6.
These both come
7,
with
8.
2.
9, 10, 11, 12. Probably like,
I don't know, it's like 15 heck.
100 plus to collect.
Let's do
And we
this.
obviously have Mr. Beast on the top.
Cut it
Let's
open.
unbox it. Alright guys, so we unboxed it all. We obviously have
The
for
Mr.
starters-
Beast logos.
Oh, his head is bent. We got the Mr. Beast logo.
I'm gonna go through all of them. So first we got whatever this thing is.
Yep.
Then-
Oh wait, and also we have the 2 tubes.
It
comes with, let's see, 3, 6, 7, 8. It comes with 8. Unless there's
So
some
we got a
inside.
Yeah,
Hold
there's
on,
some
paper.
inside of those. Okay.
Okay. There's some
So
inside.
first we got
Wait,
this.
let's take the paper off.
Yeah, let's take this off. Okay, whatever. Bye. Okay. Okay, put them back. Okay, so we got an angry couch after
Oh
happen actually.
yeah, shake it over the
I've never tried one of these.
Hey,
Something
guys.
happened to it.
Yeah, it got all gooey. It was like blue.
We might want to pour a bit of water into there.
Yeah,
So
we're
pour
gonna
it
dump
out.
them into
Yeah.
the
Get in there.
Oh, it's blue.
We got some blue water. Okay, now it's time to take them out. First, let's pour some water in there to rinse it out. What's that on there?
It's pretty.
Okay.
And now,
There's a piece of bag.
oh, I saw it on the tube. Now we take the lid off. But then,
We got this one. Oh, he looks like a fly.
There's a fly.
Ah!
Oh, he squirted.
There he goes. Yeah.
And there is one more. Oh, he went in.
I gotta...
What do we do with
Look at
that?
this guy.
Nice. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Wait,
There's
we're not
one
done.
more.
There is one more.
We joked. Oh, wait.
JK.
Yeah.
I get to do it. Okay, guys, now it's my turn. I'm holding the tube.
I'm pouring the water.
And
There. Let's pour all the rest.
bubbling now.
Now you gotta close it and shake it. You gotta shake it for an amount of time. So
Why is it not closing?
it's not closing.
You have
Okay,
to-
just try. Oh, I hear the. Gotta mix the water around a bit.
Oh.
There.
Okay, now
You gotta
you
screw it off.
open it. Ew, it's like.
Okay, you gotta pour out the water.
Alright.
See what we got. We got a angry little guy here.
Oh.
Got an angry little guy here.
Oh, there's a bunch
And we got a little tree box.
of.
He's like a cactus tree
Well, I
box.
hope you guys enjoyed Beast Lab Swarm.
There's so many. Look at all those.